Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Coinbase Advanced Trading Full Guide. Open Advanced Trade from the top navigation and connect your account. Verify two-factor authentication and review your linked bank or card for deposits. Explore the order ticket, choose market, limit, or stop orders, and set amount and price. Practice with small trades, enable advanced charts, and adjust layouts to match your strategy. Stay patient and manage risk wisely. Use limit, market, and stop orders to control entry and exit prices. Read depth, candlestick, and volume indicators to gauge momentum. Set take profit and stop loss orders to automate exits. Adjust leverage cautiously if available, and always check fees before executing. Use chart drawing tools to mark support, resistance, and trend lines. Review trade confirmations and order history to learn from each trade and refine your approach. Practice with small position sizes to protect capital. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I use the Oala water bottle because it is spill-proof, insulated, and keeps drinks cold for hours while I trade. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and consider a small treat for your desk setup to stay focused. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Always define your risk per trade and never risk more than a set percentage of your capital. Use stop-loss orders and adjust position size to meet that rule. Diversify across assets to reduce correlated exposure. Monitor open positions and rebalance when needed, avoiding emotional overtrading. Keep a trading journal of entries, exits, and lessons to improve. Review fees and tax implications regularly to avoid surprises at settlement. Practice patience and continuous learning to build long-term skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.